In my last video, I showed you how and why a process is so important for the success of a business, as important as capital, if not more important. Thank you very much for watching that episode. It has been one of my most popular episodes. Just in case you missed it, hang on a moment. I'm going to put a link to that video over here. But today what we are talking about is how do you then come out with an internal process that will help your business become successful as quickly as possible. The truth is, when you start a business, you will not be able to come up with all the processes that you need in order to start and grow the business. Of course, you may be able to come up with the generic processes such as how to hire employees, where to look for factory, where to look for products and other services that you need to support your business. These are generic processes that anybody can see from the outside. And you'll be able to come with such process. That's what I'm talking about. I'm talking about internal processes that are used to solve critical problems to help your business become successful. And this doesn't come easy. In fact, the only thing that initiates a process is when, number one, you fail to achieve your goal as a business, or number two, you face a critical problem that needs to be solved. Anytime you face such problems, you have to remember that you need an internal process to address that problem. Therefore, if you face a problem in your business, don't give up. Don't go about crying, oh God, why me? Why am I having problems in my business? In fact, a problem in a business may be a blessing, because if there were no problems in that business, remember, everybody will be doing it. And the reason few people or nobody is doing this business that you are working on is because of some of these problems that they couldn't find solutions to. But today, I'm going to help you come up with step-by-step activities that you can use to address the problem anytime it comes. So here's how and when you should come up with an internal process. And these processes are very difficult to see from the outside. So when you are able to develop successful processes to address these critical problems and to achieve these important results, other people find it difficult to copy because these are things inside the business. First of all, when you face a problem, recognize that there is a problem or there is a goal to be reached that needs a process. Sit back, relax, and brainstorm either alone or with your team. And if it's just you, nowadays, you are very lucky. You have a lot of AIs that can become your brainstorming partner, such as ChatGPT. So open your ChatGPT, or if you have a partner, get in touch with a partner to brainstorm of step-by-step activities that you need to be able to solve this problem. Then, after writing down all the activities, give it to somebody else to follow it to solve the problem. If the person is following it and faces a problem or don't understand a step, it means the step wasn't so clear enough. Therefore, you have to go back and make it as clear as possible. Do this over and over again until a third person is able to follow those steps to solve the problem, to get to the goal. Then now, once you're able to do that, that becomes an internal process that you must keep as a business secret. Then take all your employees through a training program that introduces them to the process and how to follow it. For example, I used to take my car to this mechanic, and anytime I go to that mechanic with one problem, I come back with two problems. If we're in Ghana, this problem sounds very familiar. And anytime you try to find out why did I get new problems, 2 new problems, or 3, sometimes 4, it's because a part was not fixed properly after it was removed. And this mechanic promised me, well, next time when your car comes, I'm going to make sure I fix it myself. And I told him, hold on, no, you can't do that. That is not sustainable. You have 12 employees. Why should you be the one working on every single car? What you need is an internal process that will prevent your employees from creating new problems. So this is what we did. We came up with a process. And the first step was to make a list of all the parts that needs to be removed or loosened before the problem that the customer brought can be fixed. Then when you start working, anytime a part is removed or loosened, you take remove. So after removing all the parts and fixing the problem, you need to then fix all these parts back. And one after the other, anytime a part is fixed, you take fixed. And then whoever work on that car, or those who work on that car, the leader will sign. Then we'll give it to another employee who was not part of the team who fixed this problem to go over all the parts that have been marked as fixed to ensure that indeed they have been fixed and well tightened. Then after he has gone through it, he also signs against it. So every Monday, they have what is called weekly briefing, where he will take all his employees, it takes about 10 minutes, through this process so that they will always remember that there's a process that needs to be fixed to follow to fix a customer's car. And since then, you know what? No customer has ever complained for having gotten new problems after visiting the mechanic. And he's so happy. He's so happy. That's how you solve problems in a business. And remember, your process should not sit in your head. Because if a process is sitting in your head, it means you are the only one who can follow it. And you are not creating a company where you will be only one doing it all the time. What about if you fall sick? You are creating a business where you can sleep whilst the business works, where you can go on vacation while the business works. Therefore, you must have processes to address every critical problem in the business to make sure you are able to reach your goals when you have to. If you are facing a problem in your business, such as not being able to reach your target or facing a certain problem consistently, maybe it is time to develop a process for your business. If you are struggling to develop the process, don't worry, I'm here to help you. All you need to do is to send a message to the WhatsApp number, and I will send you a form that will help you stand a chance to have your business reviewed for free at no cost. If you want to support me, all you need to do is to share the show to become part of the Business Creators Movement. Even if you don't want to support, why not? Like and share. After all, it's free. And I'm going to see you on the other side of success.